In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find IDs on a Trello board. If you've ever needed a Trello board's unique identifier for automations, integrations, or API work, this quick walkthrough will show you a reliable way to grab it right from your browser. We'll stick to a simple flow and keep things clear and repeatable. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Trello, then open the official Trello website from the results. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace or the Trello homepage. If not, sign in so you can access your boards. Next, open the specific board whose ID you want to find. Make sure you have permission to view it. Private boards require that you're a member, and you'll need access in order for this method to work. Once the board is open and fully loaded, go up to the browser's address bar. You'll see the board's URL, which typically looks like trello.com/b, followed by a short code and the board name. Select that entire URL and copy it. Open a new browser tab and paste that same URL into the address bar. Before you load the page, add .json to the very end of the URL. Be careful not to add any spaces or extra characters, just append JSON directly after the existing address, and press Enter. Your browser will now display the board's data in JSON format. This is a structured text representation of the board, including its properties, lists, cards, and more. At the very top of this data, you'll find the board's ID. It's the value labeled ID near the beginning of the JSON, alongside fields like name and desk. That top-level ID is the one you want. Don't confuse it with other fields you might see further down, such as ID organization, ID board within list or card entries, or individual card IDs. Those belong to other parts of the board. If your browser supports it, you may see this data neatly formatted, making it easier to spot the top entries. If the page shows an error or doesn't load, double-check that you're logged into Trello and that you have access to the board. Private boards won't return data unless you're authorized. Also confirm that .json is placed exactly at the end of the board URL. That's it. You've successfully located the Trello board ID using only your browser. Keep this ID somewhere secure if you plan to use it in scripts or tools, and you'll be ready for your next automation or integration.